Hello guys, good morning.
Good
What a
morning.
beautiful Monday morning here in Cavite. And I know most of you guys, since Monday ngayon is may pasok sa work. And I really hope that you had a good night's sleep. At least, kung hindi man lang 8 hours, at least 5 to 6 hours. Ako kasi ganun eh. So kasi ang pasok ko is 2 a.m. So usually yung mga, on a daily basis, siguro mga 5 or 6 hours lang ang sleep ko. But for me, it's enough na eh. Kasi usually naman, nakaka 8 hours na ako ng sleep. Kapag weekend, kapag walang pasok. And sometimes pang hindi kasi minsan gumigising din ako ng maaga for jogging like 5 or 6 in the morning. And anyway guys, for a quick video lang today, I'm just gonna show you my 3 helmets na ginagamit ko whenever I ride. So usually kapag normal days, kapag pumapasok ako ng work, usually ito yung ginagamit kong helmet. This one. And this one is for Evo. Siguro mga 4 years na rin sa akin ito, going 4 years. And matibay siya guys. So, ang kinagustuhan ko sa helmet na to is yung kanyang visor. So, although hindi siya clear visor, pero kapag ginamit mo siya sa gabi, hindi siya masyadong madilim. So, kita mo pa rin, yung visibility mo is high pa rin. As compared to my other helmets na nabili ko, like this one. So, this is from Evo rin kasi. But, I rarely use this one because yung kanyang texture ng pagka-dark ng kanyang visor is sinubukan ko siya kapag pag sa gabi or sa madaling araw. So hindi ako masyadong makakita. So medyo prone siya sa accident. So ginagawa ko na lang, ginagamit ko na lang siya kapag may long ride ako. Mag-ride ako ng any place basta hindi siya low light. So okay naman siya. So I think this is for 2 years na rin sa akin to. Pero bihira ko lang siya magamit. And my last one is this one, and I think it's from Ryzen. So this one guys is only for sorry, I think I bought this for less than 2,000 pesos, and this is half face lang siya guys. Hindi kasi ako yung tipo ng taong palagamit ng half face. Usually ginagamit ko lang to, halimbawa nautusan ako ng nanay ko bumili ng suka sa tindahan, so as in makakita naman talaga na rides. Ito usually kong ginagamit. So kapag within Bacoor lang ako, malapit lang pupunta ako, ito ginagamit ko. Half face lang. And very seldom ko siyang ginagamit na kapag malayo ang biyahe. Kasi mas feel safe ako kapag dun sa mga full face helmet. Yeah. And today nga pala guys, mag-ride tayo papuntang Tanza sa Camp Riego. So mag-inquire lang tayo ng mga requirements or how to, update. Kasi yung sa papa ko ay retired Navy. So, it's time for his pension to be updated. So, para mag-continuous pa rin siya. And, don't forget pala guys, no, na mag-coffee man lang or at least mag-breakfast kayo. O hindi man siya kanin. At least, maybe something that, that energize your day. And coffee talaga kasi it will help you to, wake you up, and because the caffeine and the coffee makes you more focused, it's a good way to start up your day. So anyway guys, alis tayo ng maaga para kasi hindi tayo malate. Alam mo naman pag Monday, so sobrang topic talaga. Ingat guys.